On this video, I'll show you how to take frozen chicken wings and french fries and make them crispy and delicious in about 12 minutes. Well, hey all, welcome back. I got another kitchen gadget to share with you. Now this thing happens to look old school, retro style if you will, but believe it or not, in my opinion, it's the future of air fryer and toaster oven technology. And before I explain to you why that is, I'd like to let you know that this was sent to me at no charge so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you. And I have been going crazy testing it. Check this out. Using this as an air fryer, I made these frozen chicken wings from frozen to finished in about 12 minutes. Same thing with these french fries. Then I tested this making some toast and some garlic bread. And using this as an oven, I made these baked potatoes in 45 minutes. Personally, I think this all-in-one toaster oven air fryer really looks fantastic sitting on the counter. I'm a big fan of that color and the whole retro vibe. I mentioned earlier that this is kind of the future of air fryer toaster tech, and here's what I mean by that. Up top, you've got 3 heaters. You've got 2 more on the bottom, and there's a fan up top that turns the whole thing into an air fryer and convection oven. You can even run it as a dehydrator if you're in the mood for making some beef jerky. Now, what really wins me over, though, are the old school controls. You've got a simple selector switch to go from air fry, broiler, toaster to convection oven. There's a thermostat for your temperature and a classic timer. Nothing complicated, nothing that makes you stand there poking buttons and wondering why it won't start. Inside, it's set up with a removable crumb tray that pops right out for cleaning. And speaking of cleaning, the whole interior is coated in a non-stick enamel, so it's a lot easier to keep tidy. Compared to a typical air fryer, this thing is noticeably wider. That extra space lets you spread your food out instead of stacking everything in a heap, and that means faster cooking and crispier results. It also has an oven light so you can see how things are coming along without opening the door. It includes a baking pan that also sits under the air fryer basket and under the broiler rack when you're using that function. It has a dedicated handle for the air fryer basket so you can lift it out easily without reaching in with an oven mitt. There's also a standard oven rack for everyday toasting and baking. As far as all-in-one air fryer toaster ovens go, especially one that looks nice sitting on your kitchen counter, I have no hesitation recommending this one.